Do you love the energy of airports, the thrill of travel, and the idea of a career that takes you places? Step into the world of aviation, a fast-paced, dynamic, and exciting industry, with Chandigarh University's Bachelor of Science in Airlines and Airport Management. Chandigarh University is ranked number 1 in India for excellence in hospitality and leisure management, as per QS World University Rankings by Subject 2024. Developed in consultation with industry professionals, this program prepares you for a global career. Learn from seasoned aviation professionals with years of industry experience, having worked with top airlines. Experience world-class learning with state-of-the-art infrastructure, including aviation labs, grooming labs, F&B service labs, housekeeping labs, and Amadeus Galileo software labs. Get immersive real-world experience through airport visits and the Walt Disney Internship Program, your gateway to hands-on international experience. The program emphasizes professional grooming, etiquette, personality development, and mock interview sessions, ensuring you graduate as a confident, industry-ready aviation professional. Through the best career opportunities, our graduates have set the course for a thriving career with top employers. The aviation industry is calling. Are you ready to take the flight? Enroll today at Chandigarh University, a world of opportunities.